Liberty Accounts Payroll Cost Allocation provides powerful yet simple tools to allocate your employee costs across multiple cost centers. From the Payroll menu, you have Configure Payroll and PAYE settings. The first thing you can consider is the employment allowance. How would you like that to be analysed? It can be split across multiple funds or activities, and you simply enter the percentage allocation to be applied. In the Cost Analysis section, you can set the default analysis to be applied at an organisational level. This could be split across multiple funds or activities, or, as I'm doing here, 100% to general fund and admin. That cost analysis will apply unless, at an employee level, we state something different. So here on our employee details, we have the cost analysis which we can set up for the individual employee. So this may be different from that set at an organisational level. So here we can actually split the cost for the community support fund and fundraising as 50%, and then I want the other 50% to be allocated to the community essentials shop and the community initiatives. Obviously the total must add up to 100%. That cost allocation will now apply against that individual. But now we come to a third level. What happens if, on an individual week or month of a pay run, work is done and the cost analysis is to be different? Here we have the cost analysis for the individual pay items. You simply click on it and you say, in regards to this overtime, in this particular case, then it's to be allocated to the community support fund and the fundraising, and that's 100% allocation. As overtime is a variable unit, I'll enter the number of hours worked in overtime. Repeat the process where you need to override the settings that are at an employee level or an organisational level. With our cost allocation done, we can now run the payroll for the pay period, and we can import any expenses and then calculate the payroll. And Liberty Accounts will do all the hard work of analysing those employee costs across the multiple cost centres as you've defined. Yet another example of how Liberty Accounts makes some difficult tasks easy. Please contact us for further information on this or other features of Liberty Accounts software.